Wonderland. So today we are going to do something that's related to K-pop and BTS. So today we are going to do the calligraphy. We're going to write their names, but not their names. They're cartoon characters. Yeah. So today we are going to do the calligraphy of their cartoon characters. Yeah, that's an interesting purple, you know, for the theme. Does it make sense? It does for me, that's why I did that. So if you want to do it, you can. If you don't want to, it's your wish. So let's go to the video.
This is Koya, this is RJ, this is Shuki, this is Man, this is Jimmy, this is Tata, this is Cookie, and this is Van. Thanks for watching.